The question of inter-se seniority of High Court judges has been raised of and on either on the administrative side in the respective high courts or through representation addressed to the President of Pakistan, full stop. Such issues through important for the though important for the judges concerned, yet have a potential to cause some ripple in the committee of judges, and it is imperative that those be resolved in the light of some objective criterion to be laid down by this court, full stop, leaving the question of seniority to be decided the President or by the concerned Chief Justice of a High Court without reference to any objective criterion may raise issues of judicial independence is mandated, full stop, under the Constitution and is essential in a democracy. Judicial independence, both the individual judge and of the judiciary as an institution, is essential so that those who bring their causes/cases before the judges and the public in general have confidence that their cases would be decided justly and in accordance with law, full stop. Judicial independence is one of the foundational values of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which is based on trichotomy of powers in which the functions of each organ of the state have been constitutionally delineated, full stop. The very preamble of the Constitution pledges wherein the independence of judiciary shall be fully secured, full stop. The Constitution makers conferred this independence because they wanted the judges to do right to all manner of people, according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, oath of office of the judges, full stop. The fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution cannot be secured unless judiciary is independent, because the enforcement of these rights has been left to judiciary in terms of Article 184 (3) and 199 of the Constitution and the relevant law, full stop. Judiciary has not been made part of the executive or the legislature (Article 7), full stop. The separation of judiciary from the executive was made a constitutional mandate Article 175(3), full stop. So jealously this independence has been guarded that even in the appointment of judges, Article 175A, and in their removal, Article 209, the primacy is that of the judiciary, full stop. The Judicial Commission is headed by the Chief Justice of Pakistan, and its members comprise of 4 senior most judges of the Supreme Court, full stop, paragraph. A former Chief Justice or Judge of the Supreme Court, chief justices of senior most judges of the respective high courts if the appointment is that of the judges of the high court, comma, Ministry for Law and Attorney General for Pakistan as also respective of the bar, full stop. The recommendations made by the Judicial Commission are sent to the Parliamentary Committee, which is to decide within 14 days, comma, failing which the recommendations made by the Judicial Commission are deemed to have been affirmed, full stop. The primacy in the entire process of appointment of judges is still with the judiciary, full stop. The court through this judgment in laying down a criterion slash guideline to determine the inter se seniority of the judges of the high court has partly been influenced to protect and preserve this seminal constitutional value, full stop. जहाँ तक पैराग्राफ बोला